Vegetables that will save you money, Part 1. The American household spends $70 on produce per month, which totals to about $900 annually. This accounts for only 30% of a household's annual grocery budget. However, did you know that fruits and vegetables should be more than 60% of the average diet? The reason why Americans don't spend that much on produce is because it's very expensive and not always available. Until now. Welcome to Fun Facts Saved Me, and today we're listing 4 vegetables that you can grow back from the produce you buy from the grocery store in just a matter of days. This will save you money, add more nutrients to your family's diet, and lower your carbon emissions from food waste. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more fantastic tips like this one. So when we eat veggies in our daily meals, we tend to throw away the scraps or stalks without hesitation. However, you can really save yourself a nice penny in the long term by growing these 4 vegetables from food scraps. You don't even need a yard for that. We advise you to locate them in a sunny, warm, and well-ventilated area for the healthiest results. Number 1. Lettuce. For growing back lettuce, cut off everything except 2 inches of the base and set the lettuce on its base in a glass with ½ inch of water. Place it where it can get enough sunlight and change the water every day. After 5 to 7 days, you'll see new leaves sprouting from the center. Then, transfer the lettuce to soil and harvest the leaves when they are 6 to 8 inches tall. Lettuce can be tasty even before flower production begins, and in less than 2 weeks, you'll be seeing results. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic can be grown in 3 to 5 days from the tops, though it might take several months for a new head. For garlic, place the tops into a shot glass filled with water. Once it sprouts, you can eat the greens like green onions, or transfer the cloves into dirt to grow the full head. Number 3. Green onions. Green onions can be regrown in 1 week, simply by submerging the root ends into a glass of warm water and then planting them in a pot. It's easy and fast. Number 4. Leeks. Leeks take around 1 to 2 weeks, and you can easily grow them back by soaking the root end in warm water. This will help the leeks grow new tender leaves. Next thing you know, you will have your leek back in no time. And there you go, the 4 easiest vegetables to grow back. Tune in next time for 4 more intermediate level vegetables that you can grow back. If you learned something today, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to Fun Facts Saved Me for more tips like this one.